Trump administration removes LGBTQ questions from federal surveys. A new report from the Williams Institute says that hundreds of federal surveys have removed questions related to sexual orientation and gender identity. The researchers attribute the changes to executive orders presented by President Trump. The report states that many deletions were made through non-substantive change requests, meaning they lacked valid justification or supporting evidence. Only a small number followed the formal notice and comment process. Researchers found that most removals targeted gender identity questions, citing compliance with the executive order titled Defending Women from Gender Ideology Extremism and Restoring Biological Truth to the Federal Government. Signed January 20th, 2025. The Williams Institute warns the impact could be significant for public policy and research. According to the lead author, Lauren Bouton, quote, federal data on sexual orientation and gender identity are essential for understanding LGBTQ populations in the United States. This data allows us to identify disparities in health, economics, and exposure to violence, end quote. Co-author Elana Redfield added, quote, reliable data collection is fundamental to how the federal government identifies and responds to community needs, end quote. The removals follow broader actions affecting LGBTQ visibility. Well, again, right now with the right-wing administration, it should not be a surprise, but it's a slippery slope. And we continue to see the erasure of our community, and we have to remain vigilant. We have to get out there and vote. We need to do things like Young Queer News. We need to go out and protest and, make our voices heard. But we're taxpayers, and if they're doing a survey and we're paying for it, we should be represented.
Absolutely.
Agreed. And for years, we were not represented, and we finally are being representative up to this point in history, where you've got this current administration going after not just LGBTQ recognition or showing that we exist, but they're doing this to women by taking away choice and all these other things. And this is just it's not a surprise, like you said. It's not a shocker. This has been going on since his first term, where he wants to eliminate anything that he doesn't believe is morally right, or more importantly, doesn't bring him cash.
Well, I think we should first start with Glenn. You got to really respect the Trump's identification with the regime, not the administration. But seriously, I do want to take one quick second, because people know, as someone who's a research director in my day job with the National, I love to get into is this a good group to be doing this or that, and which group should be doing one of those reports.